Page 59.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, good evening. Hello, Thaimi. Wow. Hello. Hi, good evening. Can you hear teacher?
Teacher.
Yes. Can you hear me? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, wow. So hello, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So Thaimi, how are you today? Are you happy? How are you?
Happy.
Happy. Okay, let's say I'm happy.
Um, happy.
Okay, very good. So did you already eat your dinner?
Um,
Did you already eat?
yeah.
Mm, did you already okay, did you already eat your dinner?
もう夕食は食べましたか
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh yes. Wow. What did you eat? What did you eat for dinner?
夕食は何を食べましたか
What did you eat? Did you eat rice and
Soup.
vegetables? Hmm?
Soup.
What did you eat? Rice?
Soup.
What is that? Meat? Fish?
Soup.
Oh, fish. Wow, that's very delicious. Is it with rice? With rice? Rice and fish? No? Only fish? Okay, so now, Thaimi, are you ready for our lesson for today? Are you ready? I am.
Ready.
Okay, let's say
And,
I
and,
ready.
and, okay.
Are you
Ready.
okay, very good. Okay, let's say again. I am. I am
And, oh, ready.
ready. Okay, very good. Okay, so we have an activity here. So it is connected to what we had learned last time. So we are still in our lesson abilities. So let's listen to this activity and what are those abilities that this animals has. Okay, so let's listen. So
Page
number one.
59. D. Listen and circle. 1,
Snakes can swim.
Okay, for number one, Thyme, do you still remember what animal is this? What do you still remember what animal is this? Hmm,
これは何の動物ですか
it's a what
Snake.
animal? Okay, very good. Let's say one more time. It's a snake.
It's
It's
a snake.
okay, very good. It's a snake. Okay. And what snake can do? Can snake walk? Can snake walk? Hmm. Hello? Oh, okay. So Taimi, can snake walk or can snakes walk? Yes or no?
What?
Hello, Taimi. Can you hear teacher? Hello? Oh, I cannot see you, Taimi, but it's okay. Okay, so now, can you hear teacher? Hello?
Yes.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, so hello again, Taimi. Okay. So now teacher has a question. Can snakes walk? Yes, they can, or no, they can't. Can snake walk or can snakes walk? Hmm.
蛇は蛇は歩けるのか
What's your answer?
No.
No, they. No, they
No, they
can't.
can't.
Okay, again, let's practice yes and no. So let's say yes, yes, they can.
No, they can't.
Okay, very good. So no, they can. Again, Thymie, can snakes walk? Yes or
Yeah.
no? Can snakes walk?
蛇は歩けるのか
Hmm.
No, no, I can't.
Okay, very good. Okay, one more time. Let's say they. No, they can't.
No, they can't.
Okay, very good. So next, can snakes run? Yes or no? Can snakes run? Yes or no? Hmm. Can snakes run?
蛇は走れるのか
Yes or no?
No,
Okay. Okay,
no,
okay.
they
No.
can't.
Okay, very good. Nice job. So next, can snakes swim? Can snakes swim? Yes or no? Can snakes swim?
Yes, they can't.
Okay, very good. Can snakes hop? Can snakes hop? Yes, they can or no, they can. Hmm.
No, no, they can't.
Okay, very good. So nice. So no, they can't. So therefore, so we can say that snakes can swim. So let's say snakes
No,
can
they
swim.
swim.
Okay, very good. So now let's listen to number two. Okay, but first, before we listen to number two, Thymie, do you still remember what animal is this? What animal is this?
It's
it's a, what
big.
animal? Ba, ba, bear. What animal is it? Look at the picture. What animal? Hmm.
Yeah,
Very good. Okay, let's say it's a bear.
it's not bad.
Okay, very good. Now let's listen what bears can do. So let's listen to number two.
2,
Bears can run. Bears can swim. Bears can walk.
Okay, so again, let's listen again to number two.
Bears can run. Bears can swim. Bears can walk.
Okay, so now teacher has a question. So, Tiny, can bears run or can bears walk? Yes or no? Can bears walk?
熊は歩けるのか
Yes or no?
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. So next, can bears run? Yes or no?
熊は走れるのか
No, they can't.
Are you sure? Bears cannot run?
No,
Hmm,
they
no,
yes,
they can.
they can.
Okay, very good. So yes, they can. So they can run. Can bears swim? Can bears swim? Yes, they can or no, they can't. Yes. Can bears swim?
熊は泳げるのか
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. And last one. Can bears hop? Can bears hop?
熊は跳躍できるのか
Yes, they can, or
No,
no, they.
they
Oh, okay, very good. So no, they can't. So they can't hop. So now let's read what are the abilities of the bear or bears. So let's say bears can run.
run.
Okay, one more time. Bears can
Can
run.
run.
Okay, next. Bears can swim.
Swim.
Okay, one more time. Let's say bears
Bear
can
can
swim.
swim.
Very good. So next, bears can walk.
Bears can walk.
Okay, very good. So these are the abilities of the bears. So they can run, they can swim, and they can walk, but they can't hop. So next, how about this animal, Thyme, in number 3? What animal is this? Do you still remember? Is it a duck? Is this a duck?
これはアヒルですか？
Penguin.
Very good. So let's say it's a penguin.
Penguin.
Okay. It's a
Eat penguin.
okay, very good. So this is a penguin. So now let's listen what penguins can do. So let's go to number 3.
3.
Penguins can hop. Penguins can swim. Penguins can walk.
Okay, one more time.
Penguins can hop. Penguins can swim. Penguins can walk.
Okay, so now let's have some questions or let's answer some questions. So Thyme, can penguins walk?
Mhm.
Can penguins walk? Yes, they can, or no, they can't. Can penguins walk? Mm,
ペンギンは歩けるのか？
yes, they can, or no,
Yes,
they.
they can.
Okay, very good. So yes, they can. So next, can penguins run?
Um,
Can penguins run?
ペンギンは走れるのか？
Yes, they can, or no, they can't.
no, they can't.
Okay, so no, penguins can run. So next, can penguins swim?
ペンギンは泳げるのか？
Penguins swim?
Yes, they
Yes. Okay, very good. So yes, they can. Can penguins hop? Can penguins hop? Yes, they can. Or no, they can.
ペンギンは飛べますか？
Can penguins hop? Hop, hop.
Yes, they can't.
Okay, wow, very good. You have a good listening skill. So yes, they can. So now, let's read all of the things that penguins can do. So let's first read this one. Let's say penguins can hop. Penguins can hop.
And
Okay, very good. Next, penguins can swim. Okay, very good. So one more time. Penguins, penguins, penguins can
can
swim.
swim.
Okay, and the last one, penguins
Penguin
can walk.
can walk.
Okay, very good. So next, let's move on to our next animal. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, this one. Thyme, for number 4, do you still remember what animal is this?
これは何の動物ですか？
What animal is that?
Kangaroo.
Very good. So it's a kangaroos. Okay, one more time. Let's say it's a.
It's a kangaroo.
Okay, wow, good job. So now let's listen to what kangaroos can do. So let's listen to number 4.
4.
Kangaroos can hop. Kangaroos can swim.
Okay, one more time.
4.
Kangaroos can hop. Kangaroos can swim.
Okay, so now teacher has a question again for Thyme. Can kangaroos walk? Can kangaroos walk?
カンガルーは歩けるのか？
Yes, they can.
Yes,
No, they
they
can. Are you sure?
Yes. No,
Are
they
you-
can't.
Okay, very good. So no, they can't. They cannot walk. How about can kangaroos run? Can kangaroos run? Yes, they can. Or no, they can't.
カンガルーは走れるのか？
Can kangaroos run? Yes, they can. No, they can't. Can kangaroos
No,
run?
They can't.
What is your answer? Yes or no?
No, they can't.
Okay, very good. So no, they can't. How about can kangaroos swim? Can kangaroos swim? Yes,
No,
they.
they can't.
Are you sure? No, they can't. No, they can't. Or yes, they can.
No, they can't.
Sure. Okay. Let's listen again to number 4. Let's check if kangaroos cannot swim.
4.
Kangaroos can hop. Kangaroos can swim.
Okay. Can kangaroos swim? Yes or no?
No, they can't.
No, they can't. Are you sure?
Yes,
No.
they can't.
Yes. Okay. So, Thyme, so kangaroos can swim. They can swim. Okay. And for the last one, can kangaroos hop? Yes, they can. No, they can't.
No, they can't.
Are you sure? Kangaroos
Yes,
cannot
they
hop?
can't.
Okay, very good. So kangaroos can hop because it is their main abilities. That is how they walk. So they hop or they jump. Okay, so kangaroos can, or yes, they can. They can hop. Okay, so now let's review the abilities that kangaroos has. So first one, let's say kangaroos
Kangaroo
can
can
hop.
hop.
Okay, next, kangaroos
Kangaroo
can
can
swim.
swim.
Okay, very good. So those are the abilities of the kangaroos. They can hop or jump and they can swim. So next, let's move on to the number 5. Okay, what animal is this, Thyme? What animal is this? This is what animal? What animal is it? Do you still remember? This is what animal? Okay, one more time. What animal is this, Tiny?
これは何の動物ですか？
Elephant.
Okay, very good. So this is an elephant. So now let's listen to what elephants can do. Okay, for number 5.
5,
Elephants can run. Elephants can swim. Elephants can walk.
Okay, one more time.
5,
Elephants can run. Elephants can swim. Elephants can walk.
Okay, so now let's go to the first question for elephants. Now, Thyme, can elephants walk? Can elephants walk? Yes, they can, or no, they
Yes,
can.
they can.
Okay, very good. So yes, yes, they can. Can elephants run? Can elephants run? Run. Can
Yes,
elephants?
they can.
Okay, very good. So yes, they can. They can run. Can elephants swim? Can elephants swim? Yes, they can.
No, they can.
Are you sure? Okay, let's.
Yes, they can.
Yes, they can. Okay, very good. So good job. So elephants, they can swim. So yes, they can because most of the elephants in the wild, so they can swim. Okay, how about can elephants hop? Can elephants hop? Yes, they can, or no, they can't. Hmm. Can elephants hop?
No, they can.
Very good. So, no, they can't. So they cannot jump because elephant is a big animal. So they are heavy. They cannot jump, unlike us people. So we can jump regardless of our weight. Okay, so that's it. So now let's review. Let's again review the things that elephants can do. So let's say first, elephants can Elephants can, elephants can, elephants can. Okay, let's say elephants can
Can.
run.
No.
Okay, one more time. Elephants can.
No, they
Okay, let's say elephants can.
No, they can.
No, they can. Okay, let's say the sentence or the things that elephants can do. So let's say elephants can run.
Can.
Can
Can
run.
run.
Okay, next. Elephants can
Can
swim. Okay, one more time. Let's say elephants
can
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 swim.
swim.
Okay,
Yes,
swim.
they
Yes, they can. Let's say the sentence. Elephants elephants
can.
can
And
swim.
swim.
Okay, perfect. Next, their last ability, elephants can
Can
walk.
walk. Yes,
Okay.
they can.
Yes, they can. Very good. So, good job. So, next, how about our last animal here, Thyme? What animal is this? What animal is this? What is the name of this animal? It's
これは何の動物ですか？これは何の動物ですか？
what is the name? What is this animal? It's a zebra.
Zebra.
Okay, very good. So let's say one more time. It's a
It's a
Zebra.
Zebra.
Okay, very good. So remember, if we saw an animal that is black and white, that is a zebra. So now let's listen to what the zebras can do.
6,
6.
Zebras can run. Zebras can swim. Zebras can walk.
Okay, one more time.
6,
Zebras can run.
run.
Zebras can swim.
swim.
Zebras can walk.
Okay, so now let's have the ability that zebras have. Now, Thyme, can zebras walk? Yes, they can, or no, they can't.
Yes, they can.
Okay, perfect. Very good. Can zebras run? Yes, they can, or no, they can't.
Yes, they can.
Okay, very good. So if zebras can walk, zebras can also run. How about can zebras swim? Can zebras swim? Yes, they can, or no, they can't.
No, they can't.
Are you sure? No, they can? No, yes, they can, or no, they can't. Okay, let's take a look at this one. I will show you a video. So here, um, let's watch here a vid. Is it a video? Okay, let me find a video about zebras that is swimming. Okay, let's check this one. Zebras swim. No, there are no
No,
video.
they
No, they can. Are you sure? Are you sure they cannot swim?
Yes, they can.
Okay, let's look at this one. Uh, this.
Yeah.
Okay, so this one. What is the zebra doing? So the zebra is swimming. So yes, they can, or no, they can. Can zebras
Yes,
swim?
they can.
Okay, perfect. So yes, zebras can swim. So the last one, can zebras hop? Can zebras hop? Yes, they can, or no, they can't.
No, yes, they can't.
They can
No,
hop.
they can't.
Okay, very good. So no, they can't. So now let's read the things that zebras can do. So first, let's say zebras can run.
Yes, they can't.
Yes, they can. Okay, very good. So let's say zebras, zebras
Zebra
can
can
run.
run.
Next, zebras
Zebra
can
run.
zebras
Zebra
can
can
swim.
swim.
And the last one, zebras
Zebra
can
can
walk.
run.
Okay, very good. So those are the abilities of this animal. So most of the animals cannot hop because of their abilities. So how about you, Thyme? Can Thyme walk? Yes, she can, or no, she can't. Can Thyme walk?
Yes, she can.
Okay, very good. So if this question was asked to you, so you will say, or you can answer, yes, I can. Yes, I can. One more
Yes,
time.
can.
Okay, very good. So one more time. Can Thyme walk?
Walk. Yes, I can.
Okay, very good. Can Thyme swim? Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Okay, very good. Can you hop or can you jump?
Yes, I can.
Very good. And can Thyme run? Can you run?
Yes, I
Yes.
can.
Okay, very good. So if it's a question about you, you will answer it, yes, I can. But if it's a question about animals, you will answer instead, yes, they can, or no, they can. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so very good. So good job for this activity, Thyme. So for our next class, so we will play a game for that or so that we can review the things that we had learned so that you can also apply how to say more yes they can or no they can. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so good job. So you did a great job for today's lesson. I can see that you can answer yes, they can or no, they can. So teacher just suggests that you keep practicing on answering this question when you are being asked by the abilities of the animals. Okay? So
Okay.
practice more. So you did a great job. So thank you very much, Thyme, for today. And see you again on Wednesday or on Thursday. See you again on Thursday.
Thank
Goodbye.
you, teacher. Okay.
Goodbye. Bye bye. Thank you. So make sure to review, okay? So we will play a game next time. Goodbye. Bye bye.